Choosing the right hosting can make a big difference in your website's speed, security, and reliability. But should you choose traditional web hosting or cloud hosting? Let's compare both to help you decide. Web hosting. Traditional web hosting, such as shared or VPS hosting, is a great choice for personal websites, blogs, and small to medium-sized businesses. It's affordable, easy to manage, and provides all the essential features needed to get your website online. Cloud hosting. Cloud hosting uses multiple connected servers instead of relying on a single server. This means better scalability, higher uptime, and the ability to handle sudden traffic spikes, making it ideal for growing businesses and high-traffic websites. Which one is best? If you're launching a new website or running a small business, traditional web hosting offers excellent value and simplicity. If your website experiences heavy traffic or needs flexible resources, cloud hosting is the better long-term solution. The best hosting depends on your website's needs and budget. If this video helped you understand the difference, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more web hosting tips, and let us know in the comments, which hosting do you use?